In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive directly from Gmail. Whether you're new to the Google ecosystem or just looking to streamline your workflow, this simple guide will help you seamlessly switch between Gmail and Google Drive for a more efficient digital experience. First, let's start by opening your Gmail account. This process assumes you're already logged in, but if not, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in your Gmail interface, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice a small grid icon that resembles a waffle. This icon is your gateway to all the Google apps and services linked to your account. Go ahead and click on this grid icon. This will pull down a menu displaying a variety of Google apps available for quick access, including Maps, YouTube, and Calendar. What you're looking for here is the Drive icon. It may look like a colorful triangle symbol representing your Google Drive. If you don't see it immediately, just scroll down through the list of icons until you find it. Google organizes these based on your usage frequency, so it might change position over time. Once you've located the Drive icon, simply click on it. Doing so will open Google Drive in a new tab within your browser, and just like that you have instant access to all your files, documents and photos stored within this cloud service. It's a seamless switch, making it incredibly convenient to move between managing emails and handling files. This integration is designed to increase productivity and minimize disruptions in your workflow. A tip to make this process even faster next time, you might consider rearranging the grid icons according to your usage pattern, placing frequently used apps at the top. To do this, hover over the Drive icon and drag it to your desired position within the grid menu. This way you won't have to search for it in the future. There you have it. Accessing Google Drive from Gmail is incredibly straightforward, and as you become familiar with this process, you'll find it can significantly enhance your efficiency, especially if you regularly transfer information between your emails and files. Remember, these tools are designed to work together to offer a unified experience, leveraging the best of Google's ecosystem to support your productivity. By integrating your Gmail with Google Drive, you can streamline your tasks and ensure all your important documents remain accessible at any time, from anywhere. This capability is what makes Google Workspace a powerhouse for personal and professional use. Now you're equipped to switch effortlessly between Gmail and Drive, managing your digital life with ease.